students. I hope you're fine. So our lesson today is about ch sound. This sound has two letters, letter C and letter H. When they are together, we get ch sound. Now let's see some words with ch sound. Now, this is a chair. Repeat, chair. Very good. Oh, look, he's typing. Now we are in the kitchen. Repeat, kitchen. Very good. He has chicken. Yes, chicken. And now we have sandwich. Sandwich. Are you hungry? I'm very hungry. Oh, look, it's cheese. Say hi. Repeat, cheese. I like cheese. I like cheese on my pizza. Now we are in the beach. Repeat, beach. Yes, I like going to the beach in summer. What about you? Chocolate. Repeat, chocolate. Yes, I know you like chocolate. Finally, this is a watch. Repeat, watch. Very good. Do you have a watch?